Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. For those who are new here, for those who are not, welcome back. Today we're doing a tutorial on this look right here, but I have something very special for you guys. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me to do Spanish videos as well. Voy a interrumpir este video un poco para informarles que finalmente abrí un nuevo canal totalmente en español y voy a hacer los mismos videos que ven en inglés, los voy a hacer en español. Los espero en mi nuevo canal. Muchísimas gracias. So, all that being said, please don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I will leave everything on the screen as usual. Dude, my mind is going crazy. Anyways, and don't forget to like and to subscribe for this And don't forget to like and to subscribe before you guys leave. Don't forget to hit that notification bell just so you guys are notified for any future videos. It really means a lot to me if you do that. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I did have to go into my Morphe 35B palette, but that's the only shade I'm using aside from the Huda Beauty palette. So I'm going in with this light pinkish purple shade. I'm taking that on my Makeup Shack T68 brush, and I'm using that as my transition shade. Okay, so now going into the Huda Beauty palette, I'm going to go in with the color Spanked, and I'm taking that color on my Makeup Shack T43 brush, and I'm just going to layer that on top of the other color just to kind of change the tone of it a little bit. It was starting to look a little too purple for me, so I just decided to apply this on top just to kind of change the hue of it? I don't know. And I do go back with the other brush just to kind of blend everything together. Okay, now going with the color Love Bite, and I'm taking that on my B Bella, what is this, my NG327 brush. I'm just going to deepen up the crease a little bit more. I did notice that I have to kind of work with this color a little bit more just to kind of get the intensity that I want. So I just kind of started to pack it on little by little. And of course, I go back in with my other brushes just to kind of blend everything together, make sure that there's no harsh lines. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and start to cut my crease. I'm going to use my flat concealer brush that I always use. I always forget the name of this one. I'll try to find it again just because I've had it for so long that the numbers are just no longer there. But I'm just taking that and some concealer. I'm using the Nars Creamy Concealer. I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease. And I did decide to put the whole process of me cutting my crease here just because I always get questions of like, I don't know, I feel like it's just so much easier if you guys see what I'm doing. Because I know that it took me forever to actually learn how to do a cut crease. I just thought it would be a little bit better if I shown the whole process here. And just to blend out the sides, I'm going to go ahead and take like a flat brush and just kind of pat everything together just so there's not too much product on my lid. And I'm just going to go ahead and use that to blend out my side of the eye. Side of the eye? You know what I'm talking about. I'm going to go in with the color Spanked and taking my Makeup Shack T68 brush again. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that color lightly on the edge just to help blend everything together. I'm going to go in with the color Love Bite and just deepen out the outer corner of that as well. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer, the rest of that concealer, with the color Bare. I'm just going to lightly pat that on, and I do go back with the other color, which is Spanked and Love Bite, just to kind of blend everything together. Again, no harsh lines. Okay, to set for our base for our next color, just because it's going to be a glitter, I'm going to go in with the NYX glitter glue and a small little brush to apply that. And I'm just going to apply that all over where I cut my crease. And then to apply our next color, which is going to be Infatuated, I am using a metal spatula to apply it. But that's only because I didn't have a silicone brush. This would be more ideal if you did have a silicone brush. Or will be what? I don't even know what language I'm speaking at right now. You know what I'm talking about. If you have a silicone sponge. Oh my gosh! If you had a silicone brush, it would be better to apply this glitter. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna let you watch what I'm doing because I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, so now for eyeliner, I'm going to go in with this CoverGirl one. I really like this product. Like the product itself is good just because it stays really, really matte. But the applicator is not my favorite. But it's a CoverGirl one. I'm not exactly sure what the name is, but I will find it and leave it down below for you guys. Okay, and now for lashes, I'm going to go in with the Tata lashes, and I don't know how to pronounce this name. I think it's Natallyveee, but if you guys want to save a little bit of money, I will have my coupon code down below. If you guys, want to buy these lashes, honestly, they're really, really nice. My favorite ones are the ones that are called Atarah, I think that's what it's called. Those those are my favorite. Okay, goodbye. And of course, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Prime Hydrating Primer. I totally blinked right now, but I'm going to go in with that primer and apply it all over my face. My skin has been really, really dry, so this is the only thing that has been saving my skin. And then I'm going to go in with this Glam Glow Illuminating Moisturizer, and I think it's in the tone Nude Glow, and apply that all over my face, just, because your girl's skin is dry lately. And then I'm going to go in with of course, my Marc Jacob foundation in the shade 29, and apply that with a beauty blender. Now going in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Chantilly. I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes, and I'm going to blend that out using my beauty blender. And yeah, whatever is left over, I'm just going to apply it everywhere around my face. And yeah, I mean, you guys, I think I do the same thing over and over again, but you guys seem to like when I put like my whole face routine here, so here it is. Okay, and to set my under eyes, I'm going to go ahead and apply my Airspun translucent powder all over where we put the concealer. And now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and I think this is in the shade Medium 25. I'm not exactly sure. I'll have it down below. Yeah, and I'm going to apply that all over my face, like I said. And to bronze up my face, I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm going to apply that all around my face just to bring a little bit more color to my face, just because your girl was looking a little pale. To contour a little bit further, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. I'm just going to apply that only underneath my cheekbones. I'm not going to apply it everywhere, just in those little areas, just to kind of contour a little bit further. And just to clean up my contour a little bit, I'm going to apply some translucent powder underneath my contour. I'm not going to bake though, I'm going to apply it and then take it off right away. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some blush, and this one is from Tarte, and it's in the shade Party. Okay, I work for Tarte, and I don't know if this was only like a limited edition blush, because I can't find it anywhere. Anyways, okay, so now to finish off the eyes, I'm going to apply Spanked all underneath my eyes. And to deepen that a little bit further, I'm going to go ahead and go in with Love Bite and just smoke out the bottom line. The bottom lash line. Get it together, Natalie. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply some liner on my waterline, and this one is from NYX. And I wanted the bottom lash line to be a little bit more smoky, so I went in with Love Bite again and just smoked that out just a little bit more. And for highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Amrezy one, of course. I'm just going to apply that all over my face, on the top of my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, basically everywhere on my face. And of course, I'm going to go in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm going to apply that to the inner corners as a base. And I'm going to go ahead and apply Crave on top of that. And as for lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Dolce K from Kylie Cosmetics. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe before you guys leave. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell just so you guys are notified for any future videos. As well as don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I will leave everything on the screen as usual. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Cold. Read by the mom, I can't say it.